Hey TLP friends, Paige here. Now, if you're a wedding photographer and you've like pieced together and jumbled together your contract by Googling and piecing things together from industry friends, what have you, let me tell you why getting a lawyer drafted, fully comprehensive contract is so important, especially as a wedding photographer. You need to make sure you have all of the protection clauses in your contract, and that includes things like indemnification, force majeure, cancellation of the wedding, rescheduling of the wedding event. Or say, for example, inclement weather. What happens with your gear? And is all of that included within your contract? How about the client's responsibility to secure wedding insurance? And that's in their court. It has nothing to do with you and your contract. Do you have in your contract poses, selection of delivered images? If your clients are giving you pose lists, is all of that included or guaranteed? Or are you just going to do what you can do based upon the nature of a wedding day? It's so unknown, so you probably shouldn't guarantee that you're gonna get all of those shots, and you're just going to get as much as you possibly can. How about working with other vendors at the event? Are you working alongside a videographer? Are you the first and foremost vendor that should be there shooting, or is the videographer? What is that communication line with your clients? Speaking of communication, are they allowed to talk to you on a Saturday evening when you're having dinner with your friends? Or do you have communication boundaries put in place from the get-go within your contract, say Monday through Friday when you're actually in the office? How about meals and breaks? Have you put in your contract that your clients are required to give you a hot meal if, say, you're shooting for 6 to 8+ hours on a wedding day, and that they're required to give you breaks for like the bathroom? That should be in your contract as well. Of course, we can't forget about fees and the retainer. Make sure you have the word retainer and not deposit in your contract. All of the other things are listed out in the TLP wedding photography contract regarding liquidated damages, what happens on payment plans, that your pricing is as is right now, and that may be subject to change in the future if they do decide to amend or change or reschedule or cancel your contract. All of this and more in the TLP wedding photography contract. You can get it now at thelegalpage.com.